At 3:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tower City to near Fort Uniontown Gap to near Ingalstown, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roof.
And power lines as possible. Locations impacted include Wallingford, Burnville, and Strausstown. For your
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember,
you are close enough to be struck by a lightning